For your consideration is this Pioneer PL200 direct drive turntable that is close to near mint. Although this unit is probably cleaner than any other table you would find on eBay, it's not my consideration that it's near mint. It has a little bit of marks here in the back, as you can see, and it has a little mark here in the front and a little mark right here on the top. It has a chip here on the front. None of these are that big, but it's close to near mint. Bright work is superb, as you can see in the light. This is fitted with an Ortofon VM S5E MK2 cartridge and genuine stylus. Stylus has plenty of life left on it. Have your auto on, the arm over, smooth descent down. Strobe shows the speed is steady and dead on, as is the case with 45 RPM. Auto return, system down, three areas of deficiencies on the lid. And at the end of the record, auto return and system down. Thanks for considering. This is a very nice table.